Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you this delicious protein powder by Natural Factors that I've been loving. This whey protein from Natural Factors is delicious. I love the fact that it's grass-fed. It's sweetened with stevia, and each serving scoop has 18 grams of protein. This tastes delicious just with the milk of your choice and the protein powder alone, but I personally love adding other things like maybe some berries, some frozen strawberries. It's just a perfect blend with the vanilla flavor and the berries. This is literally delicious. It tastes like a dessert. I highly recommend it. This protein powder has been great whenever I want a healthy snack, whenever I'm trying to reach my protein intake, or whenever I want to replace a meal, but that's just my point of view.